Mark, come look at the rain from the window. It's falling so gently today.
The street is empty, just raindrops racing down the glass.
Rainy days are perfect for staying indoors. Cozy days.
Cozy, like warm socks and soft music?
Exactly. Warm socks, soft music, and baking cookies. Want to try?
Yes, but I don't know how. Teach me?
First, gather flour, sugar, butter, and eggs on the kitchen counter.
Why soften the butter? Hard butter is cold and stiff.
Soft butter mixes easily, like clay. Cold butter fights the spoon.
Fights the spoon. Okay, I left it out. Now what?
Measure 2 cups of flour. Level the top with a knife. Precision matters.
Precision?
Being exact. Not almost 2 cups, exactly 2 cups.
Like catching raindrops? Impossible, but I'll try. The eggshell fell in the bowl again.
Use a spoon to fish it out. Pro tip: crack eggs into a small cup first.
Small cup first. Slow and steady wins the race.
Yes. Now add vanilla. 1 teaspoon. That tiny spoon.
This smell, like birthday cakes. What's it called?
Aroma. Sweet aroma. Your nose knows happiness before your mouth does.
Should we make shapes? My nephew loves star cookies.
Great idea. Roll the dough flat. Flour the rolling pin so it doesn't stick.
Rolling pin? That wouldn't stick?
Yes. Press star cutter gently. If dough sticks, dip cutter in flour.
Like magic snowflakes. But can we add sprinkles?
Only on top before baking. Sprinkles melt into rainbows.
Rainbows on cookies. Mrs. Lee's favorite color is blue. Extra blue sprinkles for her.
Oven's preheating. While we wait, let's set the dining table.
Why use cloth napkins? Paper is easier.
Cloth feels special. Like we're honoring the rain, the cookies, us.
Honoring small moments. I like that. Forks or fingers for cookies?
Fingers. Cookies are humble food. No fancy rules.
They're ready. Golden brown with melted chocolate.
Press one gently. If it springs back, it's perfect. Try.
Wow, it bounced like a happy cloud.
Hot plate here. Blow on it first. Cozy doesn't mean burned tongues.
Crispy edges, chewy center. Better than sunshine.
Why better?
Sunshine is free. This took your grandma's recipe, our laughter, even my flour sneeze. Tea with cookies? Earl Grey or mint?
Earl Grey. Bergamot flavor. Citrusy and calm, like rain clearing.
Flavors have personalities?
Yes. Chocolate is comforting. Lemon is cheerful. Mint is refreshing.
What about rain?
Rain is patient. It doesn't rush, like good cookies needing time to bake. Rain stopped. Look, a rainbow over the rooftops.
Should we take cookies to Mrs. Lee now? She's alone today.
Always. Put 3 on a plate. 3 is lucky in Korea.
What if she says no thank you?
She won't. Food is love's language. Even shy hearts understand it.
She hugged me, called the cookies heavenly, gave me kimchi in return.
See? Small kindnesses grow big roots, like that oak tree outside.
Next rainy day, muffins? With berries from your garden?
Yes. Blueberries if the birds spare them. Or apples. Baking bends to life.
Bends but doesn't break, like willow trees in rain.
Sink's full of bowls. Your turn to wash.
Hot water or cold?
Warm water, like bath water for tired tools. And sing while you scrub.
Sing? Bubbles don't care about my voice.
But I do. Singing turns chores into joy. Try Scrub-a-dub flower tub.
Laugh first, clean later?
Always. Even dishes deserve joy. Did you know warm water cleans better? Science.
Dishes done. More tea?
With honey? Local bees made it, supports our neighborhood gardeners.
Everything connects. Bees, gardens, Mrs. Lee's kimchi, our cookies.
Life's a circle. We bake for her, she shares kimchi, bees pollinate apple trees for next cookies.
So baking isn't just baking.
No, it's patience, sharing, noticing rainbows. Even washing dishes teaches gratitude.
That burnt cookie, should we throw it away?
No, crumble it over ice cream. Imperfections become new delights.
Like my broken English?
Your English isn't broken. It's growing, like cookie dough rising, stronger with time. Clouds are gathering again, another rain shower coming.
Good, more baking time. Teach me cookie words in Korean?
Kopbang for fortune cookies. Panpa for sweet potato cookies.
Tanpa. Tastes warm, like your kitchen.
And 감사합니다. Thank you. Say it to the rain for giving us today.
감사합니다, rain, for flower fights and star cookies. Should we save some dough for tomorrow?
Yes, freeze it, like saving happiness for gray days.
Frozen joy?
Exactly. Thaw it slowly. Good things wait for right moments.
Like our friendship? We met in a rainy bus stop 2 years ago.
And shared one umbrella. Small choices make big stories. Last cookie?
Split it. Half for you, half for me. Sharing makes it sweeter.
Always. Warm plates?
Warm plates keep cookies cozy longer, like mittens for hands.
Taste the vanilla? My grandma said it's the soul of cookies.
Soul. Deep flavor. Like love in Mrs. Lee's kimchi jar.
Nights falling. Streetlights glow on wet roads.
Like golden cookie edges. Should we plan tomorrow's recipe?
Sleep first. Dreams bake better ideas. But blueberry muffins?
With extra berries that burst like summer rain. 감사합니다 for today.
감사합니다 for you. Friends, remember, rain brings growth in gardens, hearts, and cookie jars.
Share your comfort foods below. We read every comment. Until next rainy day.
Keep ovens warm and kindness warmer. Bye.
Bye. Slow and steady, laugh often, and always save room for sprinkles.